njengoba futhi utetayete ukuthi lapho uhamba khona ubashiya abantu bajabulile ngemsebenzi wakho lo wenda ususela engqondweni yakho phinze ulekelelwa ngiyo inhlitiyo yakho ukwenda futhi ngelithando. Mbukeli angubingelele elihlelweni lakho Tandla neNkhondlo lokubikelela ngomfortunate Mabuzi. Namhla ke mbukeli elihlelweni sinaso neNkhondlo wethu Mpendulo makagula lofunza kalubamba lomdzala hayi. Utasicocela ke ukuthi ufika kanjani ekubeni ngisonkondlo futhi usithathaphi lesibinzi lesingaka sekusitshela ukuthi ungisonkondlo. Mpendulo, welcome to the show.
Ngibingelele babukeli, ngibingelele nawe Fortunate. Ligama lami Mpendulo njengoba sekashito ngisonkondlo.
Okay. Do you have a stage name? One creative nginathi kahle.
Mina kusete lokuningi nginga bita ngako phansi nje ngithi ngisonkondlo ngakamagagula nako finishing class.
Okay. Uqala ufika nini ke kule team yabo sonkondlo?
Team ina sibo sonkondlo ngiqala kwenta inkondlo ngicabanga ukuthi 2017 so.
Okay.
Ngiqala ngiva inkondlo le kwalusene eAlliance. Yes, ngibona Siphiwo wakadede the poet. Yes. Bakayishaya imvu yakhe manje ngive ukuthi ikhona la kimi.
Bathinseke.
Ngasinzeke ingithenza lento manje. Yeah. Ngase kusinami ngiyafisa manje ngibe nato tinkondlo tami ngithi shaya ngaba nenhlanhla ke la ngifunza khona nje bengitithula khona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So wenda njani ke sobona ngani ngokuthi okay ngimpendulo nyalo ngifithi kokuthi ngiba ngisonkondlo wa recite esikolweni noma wa approach date straight?
Nga recite esikolweni natete ngam approacha sengihambile lama events imingcwabo imishado maphathi yeah ngikhona la.
So liyavela come kanje kaMpendulo the poet.
Netibongo tebamvu bangibhalela ngibendele ngibabhalele isibongo ngifake inkondlo yami ngale sinanantelo sakho. Yeah.
Okay. So ekhaya abazange baba nengiya ngoba phela wena nje usekumphana isikole asikathi ukuthi ngawufocusile encwadzini.
Ekhaya bakile babe nenginga lemvo bangayikholwa.
Okay.
Isilemvo ikhona nendlela lebengigcoka ngayo njengoba usonkondlo bathanza letimbo takatseni ngasibabuyela le nami ke nginayo le dress code leyo.
Okay.
Nje make bese kabanengiyona ukuthi umfana bantu bagcoka amajini nofuna labo brain hood yabona inkinga yakhe
Bahlata womkhulu. Okay. So bayakusupporta yini noma bagcina ngekumukela nje ukuthi sitamthini bamhlabasha?
Bafisa ke ukungisupporta manje kude dona letimali yabo basi ngenhlitiyo hayi bakahle. Ngicela ke ukukhuluma ngelithando lwakhe. Lithando lwakhe lusibane libane kanongibani. Yena lophendla indlela kahlonga sibi yahlenga lokubiwe sitha namhla ngithi ngithatha kubona ngathi ngiyambona yena yemehlo wakhe avutha imalangabi awumangale likhalo lwakhe kunembhensi wegolide kepha nangithi ngendlula ngesekudla sakhe kunelibundlu lakhe indvodzana yemuntu liyabethwa yabethelwa enhloko yayo kunemchele kepha nangithi ngiyancenga ngathi ngiyambona uvule Tandla usigodana nonke ninelenikhathelena lenisindvana yena ngemvimba yakhe saphiliswa yena isifubeni sakhe kuvutha lithando lelingenayo imincele nemingcwele yena kubhodla kwakhe kutamatamisa umhlaba wonke nenamuhla utawubhodla kulesimo.
So nako ke uyadibhalela uyahamba your reciter. What inspires your writings?
Lokungende ngabhala lokuningi ngibuka ngesikhathi timbo lesetendeka ngalo. Naku sibuya kubo corona nyalo ngibhalile kakhulu ngecorona. Bhasi corona angisanzwe ukuthi ngifake ukuthi ngikhuluma ngecorona bhasi letinto leti ngayo ngiyadifaka. Ngilabo bese sobona khona ukuthi lo ukhuluma ngecorona kahle.
Okay. So uinspireshwa timo letendeka ngesikhathi sanyalo.
Yes.
Okay. So ke njengasonkondlo ukile washo ukuthi uyaya kuma events like sokile yini wena nje kwafika kuwe because nawe ngisonkondlo unayo le creativity. Phinze futhi ufisile ukuthi nawe ngalelinye la ngase kuchamuke ngakuwe ukuthi yati namhla ngiyakusho uyafotsha nje the poet. Sokile yini wakucabanga lokho usathi hayi ngisesemncane mina la.
Kona vele ngisesemncane angisiye lo muntu longase uyakuthakasela ukuthi sengalapha yabo.
Okay.
Ngiyathanza bhasi ngiyayithanda challenge. Ngiyajabula ngibona bantu benda inkondlo ikakhulu nje ama females yabo.
Okay.
nosukuthi gabi inpasi labaningi laba males
Yeah,
laba
I've noticed now.
yes but ngiyajabula nje ngibona like a lady in a poet ngiyajabula
Uvele nawe uthi ngiyakhona.
ngiyakhona lapha.
Okay. So esikoleni sakho are you the only poet noma khona labanye lese bafika koyathi basho ukuthi Mpendulo siyakubona ku-assembly mfana ayishaya leyo. Awusidi.
Esikoleni okay bekungimi ngefa basinyalo sekunabo licenjana labo nabo lengisho ukuthi laba.
That's good.
Ngilengishaya nabo tinkondlo kanyalo.
Okay.
Ngibasemisile ukuthi nami ngalesi ndabokhulumela fortunate ukuthi next time nakabuya ngeke athole mina ngithi utawuthola nalabo lengisebenza la.
All right. Bothishe laba kuniki inkinga Mpendulo ukuthi Mpendulo sovule sakho isikolo esikoleni sethu. Wendekani?
Cha kusethe lobo inkinga lekhona.
Okay. Bayani support.
Ba support abajabulile futhi bajabula ngelithalenta lefu basho ukuthi siqhubeke kakhulu singakekeli lo.
All right.
Asengikutshele ke inkondla lamhlongo phela ngalokuthandwa ngilomntwana mhlongo. Ngiphethwe inhloko ke ngidle inhloko lekatishela inhloko yalo lihlobo kasomhlolo ehlobo kanti phela nginenkinga ekwakha umhlobo hlophe komhlophe ngathi ngumhlosheni esihlobo hloniphile ngoba yalihlola lihlolo alihlolisise. Lokhu ke bekuthi ifiso tami ke emaphupho ami ngiyatata ukufezeka. Inhliti yami ke itawugezeka ke bese ngekhathi lami liba nemthombo longashi. Ngitawenda komkhuba ke ngikhipha emakhekheba lajulile lajule ngolujuluju lolungapheli. Yebo ke emaphushweni ngibonile wena utavele uthi hi. I'll be already high upon the sky ngitawuhluleka nokuthi hi. Ngiyacicela nangikucacemetele ngacabanga camba libhokisana leli lapha kimi. Limumetheke amagama la imvela kancane kancane yakhula ke futhi kabandi asongwebele. Dali mayifohloza sibona nosamsangale kwetinzaba. Ngale kwetindvungu kunemuntu wami lubambo lwami kwami kwakhe ke ngihle ke ngilibala libala lakhe lelimnyama shaya nangesitutu sakhe lesimnyama ngithanze peace unless iBrazilian. Vele ke ngiyachoma khoma kulalisa wena longale kwetindvungu. Ngitakusonta thutane nalibhokisana lelapha kimi utawubona ke amagama lamnanzi. Bo I miss you. I love you. Phela wena you are so gorgeous.
Ngiphi ke Mpendulo ipoem yakho nje nawe lo yaye uthi yabona lena ngangentela uphutha kabukabi. Ngimema for emshadweni wakhe bese ngisayi hayi. Ngangirobaba.
Ngicela ngingayishaya inkondlo technology.
Okay.
Yeah, technology.
Ufika kanjani Mpendulo ekubhaleni inkondlo ye-technology?
Technology ngilesikhathi.
Okay.
Itimbo sethishintshe kakhulu. Isikhathi itimbo sethishintshe kakhulu nyalo. Sisebenzisa konke nje. Ngicela ngiyabona. Lokho bekude phambilini bese itimbo setishintshile. Manje ngibonela ukuthi ngayibhala i-technology yabo. Ngibhale nayo ngelithamba ukuthi lengabhali ngakho actually.
Ubhala ngako konke nje udibana nayo.
Ngiyahlala emfuleni ngikhala kwemandi. Ngiyafaka phansi la.
Okay. So ungathini ke Mpendulo kulabanga ngawe labafundzako nabo banawo ematalent singasakhulumeli ipoetry kuphela bane ematalent but bafeel like no angeke size sikhone kwenda nyalo ngoba sesebhekene netincwadi.
Lengakuthanda ukukhuthata labo labane ematalent abo ukuthi baqhubeke noma ngabe kulikhuni kulesinye isikhathi lithalente lakho uva ngasimane akusiko lokwami umcoka ukuthi utithole wena kahle kahle ukuthi wena yini lo lofuna kuyenda njengami nje bengicala ngajayiva ngoba sekujayiva ke ngihlula ngifuna imvule ngidawukhuluma ngafomi ngivele ngikhiphela amagama ukuthi iphumele. Can I talk about technology? Technology is a body of knowledge. Can I actually give this knowledge? It's devoted to creating tools, processing actions, extracting materials. It is wide like an ocean, I don't mind. Everybody has his or her way of understanding it. It is used to accomplish the various tasks designed to simplify our daily lives. Our future is definitely dazzling. We explore new territory in ways brains can take in and save information. Information is fast as light that has come to enlighten us. I am delighted. One form of technology is striking in my mind. Construction technology uses systems and processes to put structures. It is structured in medical field. It is used to analyze, record, and curing. The benefit is determined if cost by technology exceeds of cost. In educational systems, we are now able to do things that were otherwise out of reach. For instance, checking grades online, sending in assignments, video calls, long distance calls. I won't belong because I know where I actually belong.
So ungathini nje ukukhuthata bamfu laba kubukelayo nje nanyalo in terms of emathalenta, in terms of ukusupporta ema-artist ngoba nayitsinga le support Mpendulo angifuni ukukuyenga. So what can you say to emaswati nje lo akubukele nyalo njengaMpendulo the poet?
Ngasasa nje lethuba ngitibongele nami kusifiso sami kwesi njengoba ngile ngavela angifuni ukuthi bese ngalele amanye amalanga angisaveli ngifisa ukuthi kube yimvula eqhubekako.
Okay. Njengoba uthi ufisile ukuthi kube yimvula eqhubekayo eMpendulo sesicina. What are your future plans? Usesemncane kaMpendulo. Ngiyethemba ukuthi unema plans ka poetry noma uthi no ngicetha askola poetry then bye. Kwendekalani lapho?
Sifiso sami ukuthi ngicetha lesikole. Ngistike more kulento yami.
Okay.
Njengoba ngiyayibona ukuthi le mvula ngiyayithanza. Kuba ngcono entweni loyithanza kuyenda ka ngcono le mvula leyo. Yes.
All right. Mbukeli ngiyethemba ukuthi ujabulele tinkondlo takhe Mpendulo the poet and ngiyethemba ukuthi nawe wena lo solo ungumfundi sesikolweni unalo lelithalenta lekubhala phinze recite one day sawufika kuwe usihayele bajabule bamfu usende na social media avele shema ngengize khona ukuthula ngingasho ukuthi you guys send ku social media banibone bamfu appreciate umsebenzi wenu ingcenye dadi khanza ulutho ngalinye ilanga ngalelithalenta lakho lo lendaba. Mbukeli njengoba wathi ukuthi ehlelweni Tandla neNkhondlo akusito tinkondlo nje kuphela kepha siyabafaka nalabo labenda wona umsebenzi weTandla la ngikhona khona ngitawuba nabo sisi labena umsebenzi weTandla lo mangalisako bona ke akusi umumfu umunye lo wenda lo msebenzi but by team bayasebenzisana ngiloyo nangabe wenda buhlalu uyeda nangabe uyagolosha uyeda ubajoyine but uze ngacambe manga ngitawuva ngaye sisithembile ukuthi kahle kahle yini laba yendaba sisithembile ngosicocela kancane nje nembukeli ukuthi ungubani inkampani lengisebenza kiyo nguyiphi. Yes,
ngiyabonga ngosi ligama njengoba soshito ngingusithembile ngitalwa kaZwami.
Okay.
Sengagawulwa ngabakwaDlamini ngichamuka eshiselweni. Yes, njengoba ushito ukuthi we I won't say it's a company of yet. It is not a company. Sisazama we were not even experimenting because we are bona sekesebenza kuhle. Sizama ku appreciateana as women because it's lemvo nasehlukene kude lokhona kubona ukuthi yathi lo ugudi la lo ugudi le. So I'm one person lo yayathanda vele ku sebenza ngeunity like ngikhamke ekhaya kanjalo.
Okay.
So hence African Swazi touch, it's something, it's not something, it's a name that I don't trend because I think I'm old school. It's written, never forget your roots.
Okay.
The never forget your roots, it's a slogan that I love so much because I'm from ekhaya, from a very humble beginning. So magwam njengoba ngila uhleli lapha phasa sihlahla ngiyambona ngamehlo ngqondo ubhizi.
We went out on
We understand ubhizi ula. We understand. So for me ukuthi bakhona kungisusa Eswatini ngaphandle kwemali yahulumende. Bangimikisa eDurban ngayofunda. Ngacash with handcraft. Kwangenda ngaba ngayithanda lento ngathi you know what? This is business. Okay fine boma kwethu bakwende njenge ukuthi nje batfole singwa eningi. For me I went there ngafunda cost accounting, cost and management accounting. I majored there. So with the skills okuthanza timvo teTandla, with the mind lenginiketwe yona esikolweni ukuthi kahle hle leliphomvu na uthi nje liphomvu. Naliso lidi value amisho. Ungalibuka nje na ulece but you add value to any product bese seyiniketa ini imali. Understand? So ka artist everything can be changed to something. Hence I came with this name. I said African Swazi touch. Because nangakunake kahle as Africans we're so talented but sishoda ngemvoyi asikamanageki like how to make our things sikwende kube marketable kuthengeke. You understand? So this African mother touch lo sase ovini lo to vuthwa with the help of you guys and everyone here in Eswatini. Sithi please just allow us. Sihlangane sibe together.
Okay.
I won't say women because we do have a man.
Yes.
We do like everyone. Lo watiwe ukuthi yathi nginelkhono and umsebenzi wami ngihleti naye phasi because imvo lebhlungu ngema handcrafters. For example, Lambabane. Uyayati makathe sembabane kutsekuphi. It's down there.
Yes.
And kude ngisho bamfu labaphitsitelako. Na unawucabanga nje singisaya embabane emarket handcraft akusembabane kuphela. In fact, all the regions handcrafters they just people lababekwele
Ekoneni.
look ngekho khona bamfu. And who will see this? Because it's our identity as a country.
Let's go sicoce ukuthi nguphi umsebenzi weTandla lo wendawo la ka under African Swazi Touch.
Lasina, she's here again. Okay, African Swazi Touch, yes, the idea my partner. So saba like, why don't we partner and do something? So this African Swazi Touch, I'm partnering with her. So na last scrap. So then we are collecting lama artists njengoba shit. So kathi saqala kusebenza kanye kanye. Sesibathi siyabuka ukuthi okay kudingeka lokho shayela mina ngidinga lokho shayela yena. Why don't you bring these things together? I was like I love this idea because now wedwa nale market la incane. Nani baningi umfuna kangena okay uyakuthola lokho why ahamba yothenga somewhere else? Kwabe sekuba malula kanjalo. I was like no, this is a good idea. So ever since siqalile nje umsebenzi wethu kakhulu nje bani bajabulela ukuthi nakafika uyakuthola la and we are improving. Yabona na so free, so in a space, you have the time, you have the mind. I think in Ninja I've changed a lot from my previous designs. Now I'm doing better.
Okay. So maybe kukhumbuka ababukeli nje nguphi umsebenzi wakho weTandla lo wendawo the side.
It's the bling queen here. As you can see, Lassis Crafts unema beads laughing. So this kind of blings you see on this table, I'm the one that went up. And I always try to design things for long ungathengi i-necklace kimi bese kusasa uyibona ifakwe phezulu ifakwe ngibani you own your thing. I always design new things the bling way, change imvunulo the bling way yami imvunulo indlela ngikwendele ngalo kuqakala ngeke ubone umuntu kungafana but kunemehluko.
Okay, so what can you say to encourage lamanye ema artists lenda handicraft? When it comes to unity, because I do believe that umuntu wami lo msebenzi sengiyisama nje bo African Swazi Touch, what is it that I'm going to benefit?
You benefit a lot. Now nathi you can benefit a lot ngosami lo msebenzi kumalula ngoba thina lo we are able to advertise, we are able to connect ema offices lamakhulu in Swaziland la ufunako lo msebenzi uTandla. So if bashaya bathi okay sidinga naku we visitors and asinayo leyo artist uhleli wena ulekhaya, so thina hands are open, you can come sitowenda umsebenzi and siphile sonke.
Yini ke lo fise kukusho nje since utholele platform namuhla
Nje ngidawuchubeka ngisho ngithi Tandla takho into letawenda uphile and Tandla takho yimvo lotophila ngayo impilo yakho yonke kuhlala la enhloko awumuka ngiyohlala ngikusho lokho ngilana kude loyokubuka uyofundzisa namuntu uyofundzisa abanye awulambi i-lockdown isifundise lokuningi kakhulu yabo COVID uhleli endlini awusati wena njani business ivaliwe umsebenzi kude what else are you gonna do? try something. Mina nje bengiva ipinch yes ukuthi ne-COVID but bengangibulali kangako because there's someone who needs something somewhere. Uyabona. So ngiyacela lokho vele shame sikhuthale. And we do my classes almost got. Siyafundzisa lofuna kufunza wena umsebenzi eTandla uyetakithi na ucedza uyasijoyina siqhubeka sesebenza.
Now ngingizandile Maseko. Ngidalelwe eBoyani. So ngikhule khona vele, ngikhuliswa ngumake nababe and my sisters and brothers.
Tinfeni tonke nje letikhona when it comes to emathalenta ufika kanjani ekwenteni i-handcraft?
To be honest, ngangakuthanzi and ngangakhawukeli. In a way ukuthi sesiwami nomdzala bekakwenda wafundzisana labanye labangelamako. Athi ngingakhawukeli ngadibona futhi ngifika kiko. Bebe nemagcebesha ke bona. Ngibane ukuthi le mfeta ngile matemehlo kuthatha isikhathi uyabo. But ngafika eMbabane ngathola lwazi. Ngoba like ngidakufundzisa and ekufundiseni it's not like ngikufundisela ukuthi uthola imali but lemvo likusasa lakho. Lo ngathi noma ngathi sewuphelile umsebenzi but wena uconnect iphilisa ngawo.
Okay.
Yes.
So ekwenteni umsebenzi weTandla so uyalibona yini lishintsho solo waqala ukufunza la noma solo le so wendiswa simo ukuthi
nakhulu ushintsho lengilibonako. Because kunengilele ngikufunzile lapha. Ngifunzile nje kwente emagcebesha emacici ngangeta lwati emacicini khona nami bengiwenda but ngaphenze ngangeta lwati emacicini. So nekubhida imihelwane konke ngikufunzela ekhaya. Say fabric eticathulweni nakhona ngikufunzela ekhaya.
Okay. So kukhuthata ke labanye balingani bakho laba ingcenye unalo lolukhono ekwenteni something but uba like lo kwami ngathi kubi kakhulu ungabakhuthata uthini ke bona ukuthi bangeta abatofunza noma bete bajoyine under i-African Swazi Touch?
Bangeta abatofunza because kunengilo lokufundziswako la ku Swazi African Touch. Uyafunza utithuthukise kwa wena akusiki ukuthi bakufundzisela ukuthi ubuye usebenze nabo. Bakufundzisela ukuthi nawe uconnect imela ube nekwakho uchubeke uye embili.
So ungathini ke to encourage labanye bambu labenda umsebenzi weTandla laba athi nje umfumi ngitendela mina angeke ngize ngikhone kuhamba sengihlangene nalabanye what if sekufike kuthengwa lokwakho lokwami sekubekwa lapha eceleni? What can you say to encourage ke bambu laba sesimeni lesinjani?
All right, I'll look at ngabo business idea because Pick and Pay, Spar, Show Pride, bathengisa almost imvo letifanako.
Okay.
But we are Pick and Pay namuhla kusasa uye eSpar, you understand. So ngicabanga ukuthi kushoda le ngcomvo yokuthi we are good masonge. Lokutibona ugood wena uve ngazuthi kude lo ngcono kunawe. Ngicela sibulawa ngiloko because nangathi mina ukuthi yathi ngigudi la but ngalenye langa ngiyafuna kufisa kufunza but I mean kutfunga is not my passion. Why can't I ngikucela sisi nginawe ama clients amayawafuna emacici ayakufuna like kokugaba but ahlabuta athi kuthungaphi. You understand? So masingaba nale ngomve ukuthi umumvu as a whole uyipackage yemarket yethu sonke sima handcrafters because when we talk of handcrafters akusiko ukuthi sikhuluma ngalamacici nani konke nje lokwetiwa ngeTandla because even ukuthunga you understand uthungile but you still need to you understand. So nakathathu lo muntu ufika la uthola kokugaba ufuna icathulo uthola everything uyabona ukuthi akaze uhamba uya kamanzini uyofuna ini ukuthola la under one roof. So ngicabanga ukuthi kusengafundziseki hence if you allow us me especially I will teach how to because I think the expertise I have business mind, I think it's not just the product, it's about teaching the people, because as we sit here bomake bathengisela ukuthi bamane bathole 50 rand, the product yakho bayathi ithi ngalelo uyafika unegotiate ligcebesha lathatha ilanga lonke kulakha, because uyekhaya uthi imali ukugibela ufika unegotiate angakunika ngisho nanga 30 rand just because in mind unaloko ukuthi kufanele ngifike ekhaya, akasabani nale raw material la mina layisebenzisile too ukuthi azafika egcebesheni, you understand? So ngiva ngathi ngiloko lokuthi nje bamfu beve ngathi basalwela singwa, and there is no bigger picture ekubeni a product nje ngoba uyibona it's way more than the price la bayinika yona.
Okay, so in terms of support ungathini kubantu labakubukelako nyalo, because I do believe with your handcraft and ufuna ukugcina niyibona ukuthi naku sesidisplay-ile kuhle maye nawe uchamke nalokuhle sekuhlangene sekuhle kakhulu. What can you say to a customer, because everyone who is watching I do believe ukuthi ul customer?
Yes, thank you for that one. I don't think I play to people ukuthi ngicela basale bathatha umsebenzi wema handcrafters serious.
Mbukeli ngethemba ukuthi kunilo futhi lehlelo nalamuhla futhi uqhubeka wasupport eBaswati. Ube muhle njengoba ungibona mina S05 bathi amlendiwe Tandla temufu lo wena umsebenzi weTandla lo timiselako futhi ngawo. Chubeka utimisele futhi utethembe kuwo konke lokwendaba. Nangabe uyabona ukuthi uyakhona ingcenye kuthunga but awadi lo ukuthi lemphela ithunga ngiyesibili ngichumana phela nalabanye labenta bona umsebenzi weTandla utawukhona ukuthi nawe utithuthukise nabo sonkondlo lebakithi bamemene emishadweni noma ngabe umcimbi lokhona batokhona nabo ukuchubeka bende umsebenzi wabo lo mangalisako. Mbukeli sibabonela evikini entawo ngasisikhathi esifanako. Goodbye and God bless.